Enjoy a hot cheese appetizer with this delicious combination of rice and melted cheese. The Latin American dish Bolitas de arroz con queso is known as balls of rice with cheese. These delicious fried rice cheese balls are made with rice, ham, jalapeños, and filled with lots of cheese. It is incredibly easy and fun to prepare, and only requires a few ingredients. Blend 50 grams of onion, 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder, and 200 milliliters of warm water to create a smooth, thin mixture. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a deep dish with 10 grams of butter. Throw in 50 grams of onion, 200 grams of rice, 50 grams of corn, and 50 grams of jalapeños, and stir everything. Then pour in your onion stock and 100 milliliters of extra water. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. Give everything a really good mix. Then in a new bowl, stir in 100 grams of ham and mozzarella cheese. Season with some more salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder. Now, coat your hands with some oil and make a parcel of rice with some cheese at the center. Plate up several of these and refrigerate for half an hour. Meanwhile, mix 3 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and whisk. Dip your rice balls in flour, then the egg mix, then breadcrumbs, and fry in hot oil until golden brown. As always, make sure to turn rice balls while cooking to ensure every surface is golden brown and fully cooked. Now it's time to take them out of the oil and serve up with tomato sauce for dipping.